I really enjoy about MinVu is its simplicity of use. If you know Excel, you can drive MinVu, you can really derive great benefits from the data that your company exposes. Well, I've integrated sort of MinVu with some AI as well, so those administrative tasks that used to take a long time now take me next to no time. I understand most fleet management systems databases. MinVu collect them very, very well and expose them and just generate opportunities for improvement. One of the great outcomes I've had out of MinVu is the development of dispatcher KPIs. And so MinVu exposes that data in an interval manner, and so then I can have really positive feedback sessions with the dispatch team.